Silence for the first 15 seconds, visuals only. Starting from the political standoff in Zimbabwe, what can potentially instigate a transformation? Welcome aboard, as we descend into the ongoing political saga that might shape the destiny of this southern African country. The story sets off during the sweltering months leading up to 2024 presidential elections. The Zimbabwe Electoral Commission's contentious appointments sparked a controversy, leading to allegations of a manipulated system and potential electoral misconduct. These appointments, associated with the ruling party heavyweights, set off warning signals. Disenchanted opposition supporters dreaded a rerun of previous election disputes. Civil society groups and political experts joined the growing critique, pointing out conflicts of interest and challenging the Commission's trustworthiness. The clamor for extensive electoral reforms grew louder, backed by protests demanding a just and transparent voting process. Fast forward to the aftermath of the contentious 2024 elections. Enter Nelson Chamisa, the opposition leader, who refused to accept defeat. He took to his WhatsApp channel, announcing to his followers that he would not wait until the 2028 elections. Chamisa declared that the fight was far from over. He pledged to devise a plan to secure his place in office and oust the incumbent, President Mnangagwa. Yet, critics of Chamisa argue that his announcement is a smokescreen. They claim he lacks a concrete plan and is using religious rhetoric to mask his shortcomings. They argue that invoking God will not miraculously resolve Zimbabwe's political crisis. In summary, we've been exploring the ongoing political tensions in Zimbabwe. Our journey started with the controversial appointments by the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission ahead of the 2024 elections. We then moved on to the aftermath of the elections, where opposition leader Nelson Chamisa vowed not to accept defeat and to continue his fight for the presidency. Finally, we delved into the criticism Chamisa faces, with skeptics questioning his strategy and his use of religion in his rhetoric. This saga is far from over, and the future of Zimbabwe hangs in the balance. Will Chamisa's defiant stance be the catalyst for change, or will it be another chapter in Zimbabwe's complex political narrative? Only time will tell.